Little babies, big dreams. What would Sloth Baby say if they could speak in sentences? This book imagines just that. Cute sloth babies talk about their dreams for adulthood. Find out what they want to do and be when they grow up.
I can't wait to grow up.
Dream look.
When I grow up, I want to be a strong female. My dream is to grip branches like my mom. My mom says that I am not ready to hang upside down yet. She remembers being about 3 weeks old when she first did. I will practice pull-ups until then. For now, my mom is my hammock.
Dream home.
When I grow up, I want to be a canopy creature. My dream is to hang out up high. My mom says that there is no reason to fear heights. She tells me to be afraid of the ground. I am more likely to get attacked by predators there. Jaguars and snakes scare me.
Dream meal.
When I grow up, I want to be a slow eater. My dream is to enjoy every single bite. My mom says that it takes time to eat and digest plants. She feeds for a few hours a day. Then she climbs to the ground once a week to poop. Bathroom breaks stink.
Dream hobby.
When I grow up, I want to be a tree hugger. My dream is to save the rainforest. My mom says that people are cutting down too many trees. She worries that we could lose our tree house. I hope to never move to a sanctuary. I was born to be a wild thing.